isn't physical, and it's not.
There's no such thing as an evil instrument. It's how you use it.
I was always around my circle of friends. I hated to be, here's that dreadful word, alone.
You know, so I was going to the bathroom and I always had a knife or a razor. And so I'd cut myself, and then one time I thought about snapping my veins in my arms. And
you know, sometimes I wonder why I even bother. I mean, after all the work that I do, it seems like
So many sources of noise around us. We're always doing something, always going somewhere, always plugged into some sort of media.